streamline collaboration on Autodesk Docs projects with multi-user markups. Now you can collect and share feedback directly on a drawing using intuitive Autodesk Docs markup tools. Now available in early access with AutoCAD on the web. Using the updated share command in AutoCAD on the web, you can create a new markup link to share with multiple collaborators on the same Autodesk Docs project, providing access to the same file without requiring the need to duplicate data or lock files. Using trace layers, users can mark up files that continuously sync back to the designer. This gives teams the added flexibility to meet over a drawing to review and mark up changes together.